A very good evening to all of you. I hope that you all are safe and doing your work from home. I'm sharing this video with you to share three messages which was there in my mind from the beginning of this lockdown, but I was finding the right time to share with you. There is no doubt that many alumni were in touch with me, and when I sent a mail to them for their well-being, in response there were so many mails that which gave uh, energy to me. There is no doubt in it that when you ask how are you sir, it gives an energy to us. Now the three messages which I wish to share with you is this is definitely a crucial period where we all are locked down at our home. But we all are real engineers and we all are the students of Gurukul Kangdi University, and we don't have to lose our hope. We have to do the best we can do on this time, and we should keep our skills improving. So, to up the skills ourselves, Gurukul Kangdi University has tied up with Coursera, where all the students and teachers and those who are associated with Gurukul Kangdi University can enroll for number of courses which are being given by Coursera for free, and they can get the free certification. So today we are opening this platform for our alumni also, and any alumni who wish to enroll for Coursera just send a mail to me mentioning his name, his email ID, his phone number, the company in which he works at my mail ID, that is Mayank, MAYANK @gkv.ac.in. After receiving your mail, you will be receiving a mail from Coursera within a day or two, and through that link you can register for any course of Coursera. Second thing which I wish to share with you is that Gurukul Kangdi University is a unique university in itself. We wish to start a program through this university during this COVID. So to start with, the university has taken an initiative. We all know that you all are living far away from your home. If you belong to Haridwar and your parents are at Haridwar and you are working somewhere in Bangalore or in foreign country and you are locked down over there, and if you think that your parent need any kind of help, do ping me. We will try our best to help them. Extending this program, we wish that all our alumni should make a platform where you all can be connected. Suppose your friend lives in Bangalore and he is locked down at Delhi and his parents are at Bangalore. But we know there are so many alumni, those who are at Bangalore. And if anyone from his home wish to need some help, so that you all can help them. So I request all of you that start such a mission where we come like a family, हमारी फैमिली की बॉन्डिंग बढ़े और हम ऐसे समय में अपने दोस्तों को, जो भी गुरुकुल कांगड़ी के एलुमनीज हैं, उनके चाहे वो हमारे साथ पढ़े हैं, हमारे जूनियर्स हैं, हमारे सीनियर्स हैं, अगर वो किसी भी तरह की मुसीबत में हैं और अगर हम उनकी मदद कर सकें तो उनकी मदद ज़रूर करें. So makes different groups so that this can be made possible. The third thing is I'm sharing certain snaps with you for the alumni meet we had last year in September. These photographs might help you in recalling about this time which you spent over here during the Sangam 2019. It was really a memorable event and we really miss all of you. We pray to God that you all are safe, and it has been a long that I have seen you all, and it is a desire to see you all again. Though this lockdown does not allow us to meet physically. But where there is a will, there is a way. We all can meet definitely, and we'll meet for sure. And we'll meet virtually this time by using Google Meet. And the date which I have decided after consulting some of our alumni is 31st May, that is Sunday. By 31st May, we hope that things would be improving and we will be able to join. And it is a Sunday, so non-working day. So on 31st May at 2 p.m., we have planned an online alumni meet. I'll be sharing the Google Meet link with you, and we hope that majority of us join in that Google Meet, though there is a restriction of 250 students only. So we'll try that we reach to the maximum limit, and if possible, then it is always open that you all can conduct a batch wise virtual alumni meet. Share the link with us. We will try that most of the teachers join with you. Once again, I am requesting all of you to upskill yourself, help others, and be a responsible citizen. Thank you.